Top 10 mind-blowing facts about black holes. Beyond the stars, imagine this. A place in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. A place where time bends, space warps, and everything gets weird. That's right, we're talking about black holes. But here's the twist. Black holes aren't just mind-boggling, they're downright weird. You might think you know about them, but trust me, you don't. Get ready for 10 of the most mind-blowing facts about black holes that'll make you rethink everything you thought you knew about the universe. Let's dive in, but don't worry. We won't get too close to the event horizon. Spoiler, you wouldn't survive. Let's go. 1. Black holes aren't actually holes. First off, black holes are kind of misunderstood. They're not really holes at all. I mean, we've all heard about black holes sucking up everything around them. But in reality, they're just really dense regions of space where all the mass gets crushed into a teeny, tiny point called a singularity. Think of it like the universe's version of a packed suitcase, really packed. But no, it's not a hole in the ground where everything disappears. It's more like a cosmic vacuum cleaner that will happily shred any unfortunate object that wanders too close. 2. The event horizon is the ultimate point of no return. Okay, let's talk about the event horizon. Sounds fancy, right? Well, this is the point where no return exists. Once something crosses it, it's like trying to get back to shore after falling off a speeding boat. You can't. And I'm sorry, even light can't escape once it passes the event horizon. If light can't escape, you can kiss your hopes of getting back goodbye. Imagine being trapped in a traffic jam forever. 3. Black holes can be massive or tiny. Size doesn't matter. Here's the mind blower. Black holes come in all shapes and sizes. There are supermassive black holes, billions of times the mass of our sun, lurking at the center of galaxies. And there are tiny ones with masses just a few times that of our sun. They might be so small you'd need a telescope to even see them. It's like finding a hidden rock on a beach, but it's a rock that could destroy everything. Big or small, it doesn't matter. If you get too close, you'll still end up in the cosmic blender. But hey, at least the tiny ones don't take up much space. 4. You can't actually see a black hole. You might think black holes are hard to miss, but in reality, they're invisible. We can't see them directly. But wait, don't panic. We can detect them by looking at how they affect the things around them. Stars orbiting a black hole speed up like they're on a roller coaster. Or you can see gas swirling around, heating up to millions of degrees before it gets sucked in. So, yeah, black holes are sneaky, but they leave a trail of cosmic breadcrumbs for us to follow. 5. Black holes can actually sing. Here's one for the music lovers. Black holes actually sing. Okay, it's not Bohemian Rhapsody, but they do produce something called gravitational waves. When two black holes collide, they send ripples through space-time, kind of like how a rock makes waves when you throw it in a pond. These waves are so faint it took scientists decades to detect them. But now that we can, it's like we're listening to the universe's most cosmic concert. 6. There's a supermassive black hole in the center of our galaxy. Want to know where you can find a supermassive black hole? Right in the center of our galaxy? Yep, at the heart of the Milky Way sits a black hole called Sagittarius A. Fancy name, right? This beast weighs about 4 million times the mass of our sun. And despite being so huge, it's still hard to spot. It's like having a giant invisible ball at the center of the playground. Everyone knows it's there, but it's still a game of cosmic hide and seek. 7. Time slows down near a black hole. Here's where things get really trippy. If you were to approach a black hole, time would slow down for you. I'm talking really slow, The closer you get, the more time starts to drag. In fact, if you fell into a black hole, from your perspective, the outside universe would seem to speed up. You'd see stars whizzing past like instantaneous fireworks. A few moments for you would mean billions of years for the rest of us. It's like hitting the ultimate slow-mo button in space. 8. Black holes can spit things out. Surprise! Black holes don't just suck stuff in, they also spit stuff out. When black holes pull in gas or matter, some of it can be flung back out in the form of high-energy jets. These jets can travel at nearly the speed of light, and we think they're one of the most powerful forces in the universe. Black holes might be known for swallowing everything, but they've got a bit of a temper too. 9. You can't actually fall into a black hole without being shredded first. Now, let's say you do fall into a black hole. First, you wouldn't just vanish into nothingness. You'd get stretched and pulled apart in a process called spaghettification. Yes, it's as terrifying as it sounds. The gravitational forces would stretch you like a piece of spaghetti until you're, well, a noodle. It's not the kind of cosmic experience you want to brag about at dinner parties. 10. Black holes could lead to new universes. Last but certainly not least, black holes might be portals to other universes. Some scientists believe that when you go through a black hole, it could be like traveling to a whole new universe. The idea is that the singularity might be a bridge to another dimension, a sort of cosmic wormhole. So next time you think about what happens after death, just remember, you could end up creating a whole new universe. Talk about a second chance. So there you have it, black holes. The universe's greatest mystery, packed with insane facts and mind-bending possibilities. From time travel to spitting jets of energy, they're not just strange. They're straight-up cosmic superheroes in disguise. But who knows, we've only just scratched the surface of understanding these cosmic beasts. What other mind-blowing facts are out there waiting to be uncovered? If you've got more theories or questions about black holes, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cosmic adventures right here on Beyond the Stars. Until next time, keep looking up, space explorers. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cosmic knowledge. Because who wouldn't want to learn about black holes, spaghettification, and time travel, right? It's not like you're doing anything more important like, I don't know, getting abducted by aliens. See you in the next video, space explorers.